Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome keeps dropping problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list. Here you need to search for the Chrome browser. Click on that, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and you need to allow all permissions. After that you need to go into the Play Store and search for the Chrome. Click on that and update your Chrome application, and after that you need to restart your smartphone. Once you done that, you simply need to go and open Chrome browser, and I'm going to open any website to show you that now it is working fine. Here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.